Hello friends, welcome to my world. Today we are looking at floors. Now, when we moved into this house, it smelled so bad. And Mom and Dave could not smell it, but I could smell it. And the smell was coming from the mold in the roof and from these carpets, which were ancient, and I wish we had replaced them before we moved in, but our renters said they were in fine shape. They were not in fine shape. I mean, they might look okay, but they stunk to high heaven. Even David finally had to admit that the floors were stinky. Anyway, we got them ripped out. Let's take a look. The floors are done, my lovely friends. I have not seen them yet, so let's go in and have a look together. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Look how gorgeous that floor looks. So what do you think? I am totally in love with the new floors. And maybe the thing that I love the absolute most is that my house doesn't stink anymore when I walk in. Now, I know that most people apparently could not smell what I smelled, but I could smell it. And I tell you what, there were times when I was helping Mom like put on socks or stuff, and I had to lean over close to the floor, and I was gagging because it smelled so bad. But I love my beautiful new floors. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. I love you all, and I will see you soon. Take good care of yourselves. Bye now.